Hi, so continuing the topic of brewing cacao and how to make it using different methods. Today I'm going to show you how to make it with the V60. So what you want to do, what I would suggest is use your scale, because what you don't want to do is have it overflow because you really can't see how much water you're putting in when you've got the V60 on top. And then just another important note is you want to use a metal filter, because cacao has a lot of oils and butter, cocoa butter in it. It'll plug a paper filter. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put my cup and my V60 on top of the scale here, and then I'm going to get 2 slightly rounded tablespoons of brewing cacao. Put those in the filter. Remember, you want to use the metal filter. And put those in there. Now, a mug is about 250 milliliters or 250 grams. So as I pour, I'm going to try to watch the scale to get to about 250 grams. So what I need to do is I need to clear this out. I got my hot water. And I'm going to pour it in here and get it right on top of all the brewing cacao. I'm going to pour it there so it can maybe do a little bit of a bloom and get a little saturation. And then I'm going to pour as I watch the scale here. A little bit more. Okay, so we're right about 250 grams. So I'm going to do a little stir here to get the grounds more saturated. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to let the water distill into the cup. And we'll be back in a little bit to try some more brewing cacao. So it's been about 10 minutes. I will tell you that I kind of try to help it along by using my spoon and moving it around inside the cone. Which helps to get the water to move through. And then just be aware that you may not get all the water out because you still have some of the grounds there. So we're just about done here. I'm going to move this over onto this little plate. And then we've got our cacao. Really nice chocolate taste. Yeah. Again, I like mine black, but you can add anything else you like to it, to your taste. Okay. Thanks a lot. Happy brewing.